Finding maths and stats stuff? Don't worry. Welcome to Pratidat Learning. Here we make maths and statistics easy to learn and fun to understand. We simplify difficult topics. Step-by-step lessons and relatable examples will help you learn quickly. Our videos include everyday examples, colorful visuals, and practical tips to make your learning easy. Whether you are a student, a parent, or a teacher, these videos will help you understand concepts without any confusion. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and start your learning journey today, making maths and stats simple just for you.